Dear students, welcome you all. I am your social ma'am. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2 towards history. Once again I'll repeat, name of the lesson is towards history. What is history? Anybody know? Yes. History is the study of recorded events of past in chronological order. What is meant by chronological order? If the events are arranged according to the timeline of its happening, then it is called as chronological order. Once again I'll repeat, if the events are arranged according to the timeline of its happening, then it is called chronological order. Okay, now let's get into the lesson. Stone Age. Stone Age. Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapon. Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapon. During this time, they were not aware of any weapon or metals. So during this period, they are not aware of any weapon or metals. The Stone Age has 3 periods. The Stone Age has 3 periods, namely Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Second one, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. This is the period of Stone Age. Now, let's see the nature of human evolution. Human evolution. What is evolution? Anybody know? What is evolution? Evolution means what? Evolution is the stages of growth or development in the thing, development in a thing or a creation. Once again, I will repeat evolution. Evolution is the stages of growth or development in the thing or a creation. Here we are going to see human evolution. Here we are going to see human evolution. That is how we are formed. How we are formed and lived. Early humans, where they lived? Anybody know? Yes, very good. Early humans lived in jungles. Early humans lived in jungles. Yes, correct. Early humans lived in jungles along with the animals. Jungle in the sense cave. Jungle in the sense cave. Branches of trees, etc. They did not stay in one place. They did not stay in one place. They moved from one place to another place in search of food. They ate fruits, meat and other grains. They ate fruits, meat and other grains. Since they did not know what is fire. Since they did not know what is fire and cooking. They ate only raw meat. They ate only raw meat, that is uncooked meat. Uncooked meat. Okay. Next, the early humans used stones as their primary weapon. Early humans used stone as their primary weapon. They also used stones for their protection. They also used stones for their protection to drive away animals, dig out roots and shoots, etc. Early humans tamed dogs. Early humans tamed dog as their pet at first. Which one tamed a dog? Yes, they are very useful to them. They are very useful to them in the hunting and driving animals. Let they started rearing cattle. Let they started rearing cattle since they were useful and they did not harm them. They did not harm them. They observed some grains grow along the riverside. They ate it and found it tasty. So they started eating grains. They started eating grains. Next, the early humans were keen observers. The early humans were keen observers. They found that grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learned the art of agriculture and cultivation. Okay, clear? Next. Later, they also noticed forest fire. Later, they also noticed forest fire. At first, they were afraid of fire. First, they afraid of fire. The human noticed forest fire. Okay, clear? They afraid of fire. They found some animals died due to the fire. Clear? They are afraid of fire during those days. They ate the flesh, burnt flesh. They ate the burnt flesh and find it tasty. They also found that the fire is formed by scratching two stones together. They also found that fire is formed by the scratching two stones together. Since they started cooking and ate cooked food. Clear? Now we are going to see another topic, museum. What is mean by museum? Anybody went there? Yes, it is a place. Museum is the place where objects which are rare and used by our ancestors are preserved. Okay. This is the place where objects which are rare and used by our ancestors are preserved. They give information about the lifestyle of people. They gave information about the lifestyle of people. So it is an important preserve the remains of past. Clear? Next, remains are the object or things used by the people of the past. Clear? Next, an early man used quartz. Quartz means it is one type of stones for making tools and weapons. A type of stones is called flint stone. It is also one type of stone. It is used to produce fire. It is used to produce fire. Flint stone. The name of the stone is flint stone. The next topic is cultivation. The next topic is cultivation. What is the meaning of cultivation? Anybody know the answer? Yes. Means growing crops. Growing crops. Yes. The early man did not know how to grow crops. They wander in all the landscape in search of food. That is, they move from one place to another place in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drink water from the natural resources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. This life is called nomadic life. Next is during those days, that is, early man did not wear clothes like us. Do you have any idea about this? Anybody? Yes, very good children. Yes, during those days they wore leaves, skin of animals, barks of trees to cover their body. They lived in a caves and holes of big trees. Okay, very good children. Okay children, the remaining part we will see in the next class. Thank you.